Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to play Monster Hunter Wilds with your friends, step by step. Whether you're new to the game or looking to team up with others for some monster hunting fun, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your account and game. Before you can play with friends, make sure you have a copy of Monster Hunter Wilds installed on your platform, PC, PS5, Xbox, etc. If you're new to the game, create your account and set up your character. Once that's done, ensure you're logged in and ready to start hunting. Step 2. Choose your multiplayer mode. Monster Hunter Wilds offers a few different ways to play with friends. Depending on the platform you're using, you can either join a local co-op session or play online multiplayer. Local co-op. For couch co-op, just connect additional controllers to your console. Each player will be able to select their own character and join the session. Online multiplayer. To play online with friends, make sure you have an internet connection. From the main menu, choose Online Play and either invite your friends directly or join a lobby. Step 3. Invite friends to your session. Once you're in the multiplayer menu, you'll see an option to invite friends. Here's how to do it. Select Invite Friends or Create Lobby. Choose Friends Only or Public if you want to allow others to join. Send an invite through your platform's social system, for example, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Steam Friends, etc. Your friends will receive an invitation to join your session, and they just need to accept. Step 4. Select a quest or expedition. Once everyone is in your lobby, it's time to pick a quest or expedition. You can choose from a variety of options, including story quests, hunts, and free roam expeditions. Make sure your team is ready by selecting the appropriate difficulty and level of challenge. Step 5. Prepare for the hunt. Before heading out, make sure everyone has equipped their character with the best gear and weapons for the hunt. Here are some tips to get ready. Gear up. Make sure you have the right armor and weapons for the monsters you're hunting. Items. Don't forget to stock up on healing items, traps, and buffs. You never know what might come in handy. Skills. Ensure everyone has their skills and abilities optimized for team play. Step 6. Start the hunt. Once everyone is ready, it's time to begin the hunt. Work together with your friends to take down the monster. Communication is key in Monster Hunter Wilds. Coordinate your attacks, watch each other's backs, and use the environment to your advantage. Keep an eye out for monster weak points, and don't be afraid to strategize during the battle. Step 7. Complete the quest and return to base. Once the monster is defeated, return to base to claim your rewards. You'll receive materials, gear, and experience points that will help you progress through the game. Afterward, you can either take on another quest or head back to the hub to prep for your next adventure. Step 8. Repeat and have fun. The beauty of Monster Hunter Wilds lies in the variety of hunts and monsters. Continue hunting together with your friends, upgrading your gear, and taking on more challenging monsters. The more you play, the better you'll get, and the more fun you'll have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more Monster Hunter Wilds tips and gameplay. Happy hunting!